What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a powerful homemade remedy for a dark under eye, puffy eye, wrinkle eye, and also a dark circle. Okay, this homemade remedy is very effective, but you have to not only apply once and come back to tell me it doesn't work. You know, even the cream you use on your skin, you don't apply it once, right? So you have to be consistent and you have to follow the rules that I'm going to be telling you in the video. So let me walk you through into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. All right, let's go. All right, so we're going to be using apple because apples is great in antioxidant property. It prevents cells and tissue damage. Apple contains abundant amounts of elastin and collagen that help keep the skin young. It also helps to remove wrinkles and as well as fine lines. And then we're going to be needing cucumber, guys. Cucumber reverses skin tanning. It controls puffiness of the eye. It helps sort the sun. It helps sort sunburns, it rejuvenates the skin, treats open pores, and it also fights cellulite. And it's great in reducing dark circles and dark puffy eye. Then we're going to be making use of tomato. Now, tomato is a great natural anti-aging property, and it's also a great remedy that works in brightening up the skin. It prevents signs of aging, acts as a stress reliever, perfect astringent, fights cellulite damage, and it's a natural bleaching agent. Then also we're going to be making use of green tea. Now, green tea is loaded with antioxidant and vitamin E that helps to increase the skin elasticity. It helps to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles. It also helps to rejuvenate the skin. It leaves the skin youthful and glowing. Okay guys, so we're going to be needing just a half cut of this apple. So we're going to be grating it because we need the juice of this apple. Alright guys, so I'm going to be straining this all out. Just the juice, that's basically what we're going to be needing. Alright, so I'm also going to be grating the tomato. Okay guys, so I'm going to be straining this out. And we're also going to be cutting a little piece of the cucumber. I'm also going to be grating the cucumber. We're going to be sieving this out. So we're going to be pressing it for the cucumber juice to come out. And here I have it, okay? The three juice, the apple juice, the tomato juice, and the cucumber juice. So I'm actually going to be turning them together. Now I'm going to be putting in the green tea content into this mix. So we're going to be stirring this all up. And you have to hold on for like 30 minutes for this to completely mix, and then you can use it on your face. Okay guys, so here's the remedy, and I'm going to be stirring it this way. Okay, so you have to use a little tiny brush like this, and then you would have to apply all of this stuff to your under eye. Okay, now just like I said earlier, you would have to keep it for like 30 minutes so that the green tea can be induced in this juice, in this combination of juices. And then you take your time to apply this, okay? Now I know there are many ways in which you can get rid of darkness under your eye. This is one of the many ways. Okay, so you just apply this onto your dark under eye judiciously and generously. Okay, so you can see that. Make sure it's just applied on the affected areas, okay? And make sure you have the treatment applied very, very well. Okay, so this is it guys. You just apply this, make sure that it is well applied, and then what you do is that after that you would have to leave it and let it dry. Let it set and dry under your eye. Now when you do this guys for like 2 to 3 weeks, okay, all of the darkness and puffiness under your eye will be gone, like seriously, okay? All of the darkness and puffiness will be gone. So when you leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, when it dries, then you can wash it off, and then you can apply a very light oil, okay, and then you would be loving it. Repeat this for, you know, three times in a week for 3 weeks, and let's see if all of the darkness under your eye won't be gone. Like it's gonna be gone, okay? Look at how it is. So I'm gonna leave mine for it to dry. Well, even if you don't have wrinkles or puffiness or darkness, sometimes you need to just, you know, take care of your skin, okay? Apply some of this natural stuff and let's just prevent all of those, you know, upcoming or blemishes, and your skin is going to be glowing really well. So that's it guys. This is actually very, very helpful, very perfect, and very, very effective, you know, in removing all of the darkness under your eye, and you are gonna be loving it, okay? So if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.